Let's hear it for Cody.
Let's hear it for Cody, come on! Thank you, now he won't fire me.
Yay!
Yeah, he will. Okay!
Veteran in our lineup. Next up, before you'll see it again, it's time for the Subway!
First cut of this record has been cross-format focused for airplay success.
No man, shut up. I ain't even going out like that. I make the music. Let's go.
Now, before we get our freak on, we need to match up our beats.